Every time we buy a Defender 110 like this with all the urban styling, they sell instantly. And this is also VAT qualifying. It's a 2024. It's in Santorini Black and it's the XS model. So the XS model gives you all the spec things like heated and cooled seats, air suspension, sliding sunroof, wireless charging. It's even got a fridge. So the spec's massive. But then the car's got all that urban styling, so it just looks mean, it looks aggressive. Big wide arch kit, the lights, the badging, everything's been done. And you can see you've got the badging here, the badging at the front, under sections fully colour coded, adaptive light. The wide arches as well just make it look completely different. You've then got your 22-inch wheels, you've got mud flaps, side steps, privacy, the signature graphic on the side, spoiler. It's got an electric deployable towbar. Look at it from the back. You've got the clear lights, urban automotive spare wheel cover, rear spoiler. And I'll just show you in here. 2 buttons here, very important. One's the electric towbar. You want to press that, tuck that away. And then the air suspension. So on the XS model, it comes with air suspension. The HSEs, SEs, other S models, if you want air suspension, it's an expensive cost. It's nearly £2,000. But that car's VAT qualifying. It's a 24. It's priced at 84,990 including VAT, and it just looks fantastic. Ebony leather inside. So you can see Defenders are so popular. They've got a big boot, lots of space in the rear, lots of charging points, very safe. All your ISOFIX points as well. It's all keyless as well, so there's little buttons on here. And then in full leather, Meridian signature, memory seats, heated steering wheel, again another great feature, digital cockpit, automatic lights, automatic wipers. Moving up here, you've got your ClearSight camera, you've got your opening sunroof, and then if I move down, other extra, these are like real top specs. Fridge in the centre, wireless charging, and then if we go into our main menu, you've then got your standard camera setting, which is superb, 360 camera. You've also got tone assist with it having the tow bar. You've got that wireless Apple CarPlay, your digital climate control. The seats, as I mentioned earlier, not only have you got heated seats, you have cool seats as well. And that is, you know, these are top spec, top extras. And then if we move down here, there's your air suspension button, so you can raise the car up and down from there. So I press that button. I'm just going to show you them lights as I get out as well. Then you've got the top lights turned on. There's a little switch there. So that is a VAT qualifying Santorini Black Defender XS on a 2024. Delivery miles. It's going live on the website. Any questions, give me a call.